Alright, while I was sitting here figuring out my route, because when I laid all this out, I laid it out south to north, and I'm doing it north to south. Can you see the lack of visibility? Just had three great big work trucks come up through, like your power line people. So, here we go.
Hey, welcome to part 4 here. Bear with me with this. I really screwed the route up somehow when I converted it to a GPX. You're going to get some of the gravel from today, the day this was filmed, and then I'm going to be patching in some footage from a week later that I made, which was the other gravel roads I was actually supposed to be on. So if you see some major differences, you'll know why. I got this route as messed up as a football bat.
Off-route. Recalculate.
Evidently I wasn't supposed to come this way, but I'm going to.
This route is gonna have to be redone sometime next year. I will show the map of what I did today, what you're seeing right now, and patch a map in for what I did a week later to maximize the gravel.
Jeez. Okay, I got some delayering done, got it all figured out. I'm not on the exact route I laid out, but that's okay. We're still on a dirt road, right? This is downright loose. Another 3/4 mile, we're done with this road. It's been very loose. Smells great though.
Turn right on Rain Rock Road.
Okay, guess I will. We get a short break here on some tar and chip.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Rocky Fork Road Northeast, then take the first right.
Turning left on Rocky Fork Road Northeast. Cool bridge, huh? Then we're going to turn right on Ohio 79.
Turn right at the stop sign. Turn left on Porter Road Northeast.
Okay, you heard her. We're going to make another left. Which means we're heading south again.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Wilkins Run Road Northeast.
Making a left on Wilkins Run Road. Looks like it's going to stay at tar and chip.
Here it is a week later and I'm still trying to get this route right. But at least by this point in the video, I'm about back on the original track I wanted to be. I had to skip a bunch, and I will have a couple Google Maps in there showing where I stopped last week and where I began this week. I'm still not sure what to do in between right now.
Right now I'm really beginning to think I've got this part of the route really screwed up bad when it comes to gravel.
In 4.5 miles, turn left on Rocky Fork Road Southeast.
Well, here I am on Iden Road. I don't know if I'm going to find anything, but at least I'm off of big roads right now. Well, I'm on Palmer Road now for a real short time and getting ready to turn on Asbury Chapel Road. Not gravel, but at least it's remote chip and seal so far. This looks even more remote and rough. and behold, I just found some gravel, I think. Well, it wasn't a total bust, I guess. I think I would call this a one-lane bridge. That wasn't even a sign for it. Okay, we're going to make a right on Hopewell Road.
Turn right on Asbury Chapel Road.
Asbury Chapel Road, making a right. And it appears to be gravel.
In 3 1/4.
Nice view. Somewhat of a loose gravel road. Not terrible. Okay, why is there a sign that says 10'6" clearance ahead? Is there a covered bridge or something like that on this road? If so, that would just be major bonus. Or is it because of the wires over my head? I would hope not. Oh, nope, there's a covered bridge. Check that crap out. Check it out. We gotta stop. This part of the road's like riding over a washboard. Oh, look at the little puppies. I hope nobody runs them over. They're so cute. I got a whole pack of puppies. I wish I knew what was going through a dog's mind when it's chasing a vehicle. I mean, what does it really think it's going to do with it? Township Road 106 Northeast. Kind of going to the right, I guess.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Cimarron Road Northeast. Cimarron Road Northeast.
Going to make a left on Cinnamon Run Road Northeast. Cimarron, maybe, I don't know. That's what I'm going with, Cimarron. I like that. Can't see a thing. Oh, that was a little yeah, I don't know, but went from that brand new pavement to this like almost instantly. Huh. No warning. Oh well, you'll have that. I know it's gone, but there was a railway right over there. I missed it back there where there was still some visible tracks. We have this really cool bridge to go across. Good thing I washed a bike. Anyway. I mean, the rail line still shows up on the GPS. That's kind of neat. That's half the reason I knew it was there. Well, I just came off the gravel onto Cemetery Road, and I guess that's why it's Cemetery Road. Looks like a Civil War soldier statue. What'd the town say back there? Fulton, I believe? Alright, I was close. It's called Fultonham. That's the name of this town. Well, instead of coming through town, GPS wanted me to come on US 22 here, and then I would be making a left to Bush Run Road, which is that gravel road straight ahead.
Please drive to highlighted route in 1 mile. Turn left on Porter Rock Road.
Well, I don't think I'm going to call this gravel. To me, this looks like a poorly done chip and seal, to where it's more chip and no seal. I don't know.
Turn left on Porter Run Road.
Alright, we're making a left on Porter Run Road.
In 1 1/4 miles, turn right on Ohio 345.
Alright, right here at the intersection is of 345. This is where this section ends, and I kind of run into the next section. Well, at least this section wasn't a total bust. Oh, check that out, an old quarry. Huh. Alright, now back to last week's footage.